You know, when you're walking down the grocery store aisle or ordering at a restaurant and there's so many options like jam, jelly, preserves. Well, I know I find myself wondering, what's the difference? Our partners at AllRecipes help us break it down.
Jams are made with the pulp of one fruit rather than multiple fruits and has been cooked with sugar and pectin until syrupy and thickened. Most pieces of fruit are gone as they have completely cooked into the syrup, which makes the spread spreadable. Classic jams are fig, raspberry, and strawberries. Jellies are fruit juices or syrups that have been cooked with sugar and pectin. There are no chunks of fruit in this spread, and it is the co-host in the peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. It is the easiest to spread and the most reminiscent of Jell-O. Grape and strawberry are the most common kinds of jelly. Preserves are whole fruits that are cooked in syrup and pectin until broken down and syrupy. This method preserves the fruit, hence the name. Strawberries, blueberries, and cherries and other small fruits are best for this. So, how can you tell that your jam, jelly, or preserve is done cooking? The freezer test is the best way to test this. Spoon a small amount on a plate and place in the freezer for 5 minutes. Once it has cooled, run your finger through the condiment, and if it keeps your line, it's ready to go. And that's the difference between your favorite fruit spreads.
Well, if you didn't know, now you know. Be sure to head over to AllRecipes for plenty of jam, jellies, and preserve recipes.
I'm gonna have to check that out because now I am starving. Those are great tips from AllRecipes, and the June and July issue is all about scooping up summer flavors. You can get more great recipes and meal